If you've recently lost a streak on Snapchat and are eager to regain it, this video will guide you through the process step by step. First, locate and click on your profile icon situated on the top left corner of the screen. Then, navigate to the settings icon positioned on the top right corner. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the Support section. Click on I Need Help to proceed. In the search bar, type Snapstreaks and select the relevant option from the search results. Next, choose the option I lost my Snap streak. How do I restore it, and follow the prompts provided. When prompted to provide information, simply click on No at the bottom of the page. Craft a brief description in the text box explaining your desire to recover your streaks. Click on Submit and complete any CAPTCHA verification if required. Snapchat will then review your request and restore your streaks accordingly. Following these steps will help you reclaim your lost streak on Snapchat.